Today we want to introduce ourselves to topic number 3, trigonometric functions, and I want us to have some fundamental information about what we shall be dealing with. We're going to be dealing with the reciprocals of the trigonometric functions. We have been looking at cosine x. Now 1 over cosine x is the one we're going to start referring as secant x, which is in short sec. 1 over this is sine x. 1 over sine x is the one we are going to be referring of as cosecant x. And we have known the tangent of x, and 1 over the tangent of x, or rather reciprocal of that, is going to be called cotangent x, which is in short cot x. And of course, we have been knowing that there are some values of x for which the cosine of x is 0. So we are going to find a situation whereby 1 over 0 is going to be undefined. Again, we have some angles whose sine is 0. Again, 1 over 0 is going to be undefined, is going to be infinity. We have been talking about the tangent of a certain value of x, which is 0. And again, 1 over x is going to be undefined. You're going to see this in the graphs. But it's this part I want to highlight and probably say that the cot of x, which is 1 over tan x, and we know the tangent of but we know the tangent of x is sine x over cosine x. This we have been knowing primarily, and therefore 1 over the tangent of x is the same as 1 over sine x over the cosine of x, meaning that when you divide a number by a fraction is the same as multiplying that number by the reciprocal of the divisor. That means 1 over sine x divided by cosine x is simply cosine x over sine x. If you want, you can say over 1, which is not important. So it is important to realize that the cot of x, which is 1 over tan x, can be also known as cosine x over sine x. I want us to just go straight to example 1 and see how we can use this knowledge to understand some aspect. And example 1 talks about use your calculator to write down the values of the sec, part A, the sec of 280 degrees. And we have been doing that, we have just known that the sec, which is this one, of 280 degrees is simply 1 over the cosine of 280 degrees. And using the calculator, the cosine of 280 degrees, 1 over the cosine of 280 degrees is simply 5.76. This is to 3 significant figures. You'll evaluate using the calculator the cosine of 280 degrees. 1 over that is 5.76 to 3 significant figures. Part B, we're going to talk about the cot of 115 degrees. The cot of 115 degrees. This is simply 1 over the tangent of 115 degrees, as you can see here. And again, 1 over the tangent of 115 degrees, direct from the calculator, is negative 0.466, again to 3 significant figures. That is it. You just directly go to the calculator, and that is exactly how you're going to be dealing with this kind of the topic, just but introduction. All right.